Thinking about visiting Eftalia Village Resort in Alanya, Turkey? Here's a quick 90-second review to help you decide. This family-friendly resort is packed with pools, an aqua park, and exclusive access to Eftalia Island's entertainment and beach. Located just 200 meters from the shore and 18 kilometers from Alanya's city center, it's perfect for a sunny getaway. Guests love the spacious rooms, fun water slides, and variety of activities. The pools and entertainment are a hit with families, and the beach access is a major bonus. Some visitors also praise the diverse food selection and friendly staff, but it's not all perfect. Some guests mention inconsistent housekeeping, and food quality gets mixed reviews. Some love it, others find it repetitive. Mealtimes can get crowded, and while Eftalia Island has great entertainment, it's a bit of a walk from the main resort. So, is Eftalia Village Resort right for you? If you're after a lively, family-friendly getaway with plenty of pools and beach access, it's worth considering. Just be prepared for some minor inconveniences. Want more travel reviews? Subscribe and stay tuned for more destination insights.